Hey guys, Steve Fallana with Radiant Heating. Today we're over at 320 Elizabeth, Point Pleasant, doing a slab application. So what we had done was we put a thermal barrier down underneath and sealed off the seams. Then 2 things of R10 foam board. And now we're just putting down our tubings. They're roughly 9 on center. So everything is running back and forth, follows as per plan. We have our little raceways coming up, so we have a smooth run up the concrete and a little shear thing where the concrete top is, so no one hits it, protects it. And we just come up and go to our manifold, right? As far as putting the stuff in, we got Dave and Anthony over here. We just started another loop, so basically we just pull our stuff out. He's laid everything out.
Right here. Go all the way down.
So everything's laid out. We kind of do a little crude, markings so we know what we're doing, so we don't make any mistakes, right? And then we've got this neat foam gun tool here. That really makes it pretty simple to put this stuff down and in. We got a set of our PEX lines coming back for our supply and returns. We got one sitting under some pressure here tied in. That's for a basement slab. Our boiler wall is going to end up going here with our boiler, right? But here's some stuff. We just got some routes here. We marked all our stuff out. Getting kind of prepared to go. It's a little messy, right? Some stuff around, but that's no big deal. We started doing some tubes, right? We ran into a couple obstacles, right? But nothing crazy. We got our PEX lines coming down. Still yet to insulate them, but we hit a problem with the ductwork guy, right? He decided to jump, he had nowhere to go, so he jumped up in a bay and pretty much cut us off end to end, if you can see. So we're just going to make a little soffit along the ductwork here. We're able to run around, curl our lines around. Not a finished product yet, but we'll insulate them up and strap them up pretty tight, clean them up. Going to try to stay a little bit away from the hot and cold lines, right? We're getting a little bit of flack from the plumbing inspectors about, the radiant tubes heating up the hot and cold lines. But again, no big deal. Ran into a little bit of ductwork again, but it's a truss style house, so it happens. Really, the poles aren't so bad. With, what do you call it? The open truss plan kind of makes it a little easier, right? We're able to just kind of loop around and come back. Right, we got a little highway here. We're hopping up to our manifold. I'll show you that next. Right as we go up. Right now, the objective for the construction project is get the bathrooms done so they can set their tubs for the rough. So we have one more bathroom to do here, right? Get their tub in, but fortunately, here's our points where we came back up. We were able to come up, and we're going to wrap right around to our manifold here, right? Gonna start tying that in. Go back to our bathrooms, right? We had wanted to get our bathrooms in so they can get their tubs in. So you can see it goes up and down pretty easy, right? No big deal. There's one of our berries, one of our berry points. We got our tubes in. We want to dodge, as always. We're dodging the sewer, dodging the toilet, right? We got another bathroom bedroom combo done over here. Right? And now we're saving the tools. Right, so we put this guy in, got into our bathroom again, right? Dodged our toilet here, right? They'll be sitting there, so they put their feet down, they'll be getting some nice heat. We just had to kind of make a little adjustment around the toilet. Nothing crazy, but we tried to double our loop up a little, if you can tell by my boot, right? We made a custom route there, so, when someone's sitting here, standing here, they're still getting some good heat there, right? Little route around the doorway, so we're not so close to the jams. That's about it. Right, so basically, guys watching the gauge, if somebody hit something, we're gonna know pretty quick, probably where it's gonna be. If they hit this tube right now, it's done, but if they hit, they get blasted in the face with concrete. It's under 60 pounds of pressure, bro. Yeah, you would see it, yeah. So guys, that's pretty much their pour, right? They poured it out. We're doing pretty good. No problems, no ruptures.